Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 18/4/2022 and the time is 8 p.m. Around 8 p.m. Uh, uh, you all know that today is a very important day. So mark the high and low of today. If I breaks today, then obviously you will see 250 points more on the upside. If the low breaks today, then 250 points on the downside on Nifty. But I don't want to go and talk about charts and other stuff. We will go to the simple dates, numbers, and my system. That's more than enough. If you want to talk about the charts, maybe you can go and look at other YouTube videos. But ours is very clear. We will do only the dates and the numbers. Let's see this. Okay, so before going to Nifty and Bank Nifty, this is nothing but our cryptos. 3rd April finished. Okay, and ETH, yeah, again 3rd April, that was the high, and from there a solid a drop of roughly around. If you take the low of this, a solid drop of roughly around 15%, and if you go to BTC, a solid fall of roughly around from this low of 3rd April, same 15%. See how date works as magic. Instead of putting a lot of charts, RSI, see all that. Okay, so we will leave this and let's go to our main chart where I gave a caution signal here when Nifty gave a buy signal, and the next day when Nifty closed below the high of this date, I clearly given a caution signal to everyone. This is the fake buy to create hype up in the market so that all the retail people will jump here, and this is what happens. And from here 18,114, we are already down by 1,000 points. So this system will clearly give you ample, indication that whether the market is bullish or bearish or it's a trap. This was a clear trap, and I've given a caution on 5th April itself. If you go to my video, a daily forecast video, it was clearly given that the candle has to, the next candle or whenever the candle has to close above this buy initiation candle. If not, it will come down, and that is what is happening, and that is what it is happening. And after 11th, 11th was the crucial date. From there, 2 days it was a fall, and today it was a big fall of roughly around 350 points, right? So system rocks always, right? So then let's go to the numbers, only numbers, no chart here. Okay, so I've already mentioned about this in my previous videos. The 25th October high and low weekly is very crucial, and Nifty yesterday it closed below the level of this red color line, which was the low of 25th October, and today we seen a gap down, and it formed a doji candle on an important day, on a very important day. Today there are more than 4 combinations happening, happened on a single day. So mark this high and low. This high and low will create a lot of opportunities to make money in the market. So mark high and low of today in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So this is Nifty on a weekly, this week high and low. Mark this week high and low in your chart and see the magic. Again, the next week is happening on 15th August, and the next week is 17th October, and the next week is 24th October, and the last is 26th December. Okay, watch out for these weeks. Mark in your Nifty chart. Okay, so now I'm closing this. Coming to Bank Nifty. Again, this week was very crucial, which was 10th Jan weekly. The low was 37,929, and yesterday it closed to below. The last 2 days it was closing below only, and today it was a gap down and formed a doji. So this simple high and low of this week is more than enough, and the next important week is happening on 3rd October, and the next important week is happening on 26th December week. So mark this in your system. It'll in Zerodha or Upstock, even in Tradingview, anywhere. So it will be very useful for you. Okay, so Bank Nifty also it's down, so nothing to talk about it on a weekly front. important week dates. Okay, so now I'm closing this. So now coming to daily. This was hourly. So I've just marked the 18th April high and low. So break below 18th April. This is Bank Nifty. At least Bank Nifty is a little bit okay when compared to Nifty. The important monthly game changer number is 36374, and it came all the way very near, but it took the new Bank Nifty futures took the exact support on our monthly game changer bullish number. Nifty is close to well below the monthly game changer bearish number. Watch out. So Bank Nifty is looking okay, even though the HDFC and a big fall today. It sustained that monthly bullish game changer number, and that number is available with you from 1st of April, right? So any close below the weekly game changer number, which is 36203, it will be bad. The last, maybe you can take the super trend on daily, which is 36091. Okay, so Bank Nifty is looking okay, but better to buy only on a closing basis above this number, which is 18th April I 36965. Mark this in your chart. Mark this in your chart. Okay, and coming to Nifty. Yeah, this is 18th April high, 18th April low. Mark this in your calendar, in your chart, and our important number is 17,138. Which was held today, and this number is our 50% rule number, 17,138. So till it holds this number, it can stabilize from here. But any close below 17,068, you will see major issue on Nifty. Spot and possibility of touching 16,890 is very much possible if it breaks 17,068.5, which is our weekly. This 16,890 is our weekly bearish game changer number. All this I've already given in my PPT, so kindly read my PPT once more. Okay, so now 18th, I've already marked that. No need to see your Dow Jones, CAT, and DAX. Simple 15 minutes high and low of Nifty on an important day will do the magic. And this was the 15 minutes high and low. It came down and gave roughly around 100 points on the downside once it broke the 15 minutes low of today. And Excel sheet number gave roughly around 110 points on the downside today. So this was the first 15 minutes high and low, which I discussed on Wednesday night, because I went for an holiday. So that's why I posted the first page to in all my social media. I think it rocked. Okay, so no need to waste time in watching all this nonsense. Okay, chalo. So now I'm closing this. Let's go to our PPT straight away. Okay, so this was the weekly observation which I gave you on Wednesday night before I left for a vacation. So Nifty fake buy still continuing, and my system rocks. It's not my system, our system rocks. Okay, so expiry rule, and this timing, you just to go and watch this, take this timing on Wednesday and mark this 9:55 a.m. to 10:20 a.m. Then you'll know what happened to Nifty on that day after this timing. Literally rocked this time. Okay, and clearly mentioned it closed to below 11th April low, which was not a good sign, but 18th to 20th of combination dates, so watch out for it. And first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. Clearly mentioned here, first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic, and it did the magic today. And again, Ichimoku major time for Bank Nifty is 9:15 to 10:15 a.m. today on Monday, 18th April, not able to cross above the first 1 hour high, and it closed below. Bank Nifty future number converged, expecting big move. Today it was a gap down, and the convergence played its role very well, and it gave roughly around 750 points on the downside. Okay, so 9:17 a.m. and I've given that weekly game changer number for today. So now let's go to tomorrow. So now I marked 18th high and low, and 18th high in Bank Nifty and low in Bank Nifty. Number one. Number two, on 20th, I will mark the high and low of 20th also. Then I will combine these two then I will give you the consolidated number so that we can use it for the future references. Okay, so I marked the high and low of today in the chart, and this was our weekly game changer number for today, for this week, okay. So use it wisely, but let's see this number, whether bearish number, how it is going to plan out for the coming week. And Bank Nifty future took the exact support from this number 36554. The low is 36555. Okay, so and you have this number from 1st of April. So watch out for this number. It took the exact support from this number. Okay, so now tomorrow, I've already marked this number 17138. Watch it. I've given, which is the 50% rule number, mark in your system. So now Nifty spot closed well below the bearish number, Nifty spot and Nifty future, but Bank Nifty is holding this number and this number. So as of now, Bank Nifty looks okay, but Nifty, please, because the IT is literally screwing the happiness of Nifty. And again telling, okay, so I will definitely take that. Okay, so now the first 15 minutes will drop today. Doji formation on the important date. So whatever I discussed now, I've just marked here. So just read this today. Okay, and today the width of Bank Nifty and Nifty is very small. So break above today's high will give a massive move on the upside. Break below today's low and close below today's low will give a massive sell on the downside. So watch out. It's very, the width is very, very narrow. So use it for your maximum. And this rock to today, and Bank Nifty I've already mentioned. And now for tomorrow, Ichimoku hourly timing to watch in Nifty spot is 9:15 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. 1 hour candle. Okay, and Ichimoku timing for Bank Nifty spot, it is 9:15 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. 2 hour candle high and low on 20th April. Okay, watch out for this. And the next big Ichimoku date is happening on 11th May 2022, and next big date for Bank Nifty is happening on 11th and 12th May. It's a combination. Watch out. This is based on Ichimoku. Okay, this is not time cycle. This is based on Ichimoku. So mark these 2 dates in your system, and you will see the magic literally. So I've given that future date also. This is for the month of May. I've given today itself. Okay, so now this is still in my radar. Any close above 172, minimum target is 225. I'm expecting something big in this counter, but it is not closing above 162. It hovering at 170, 171, coming down on 168 and closing. So any close above 172, this guy will definitely drop. Okay, and IFL, no need to talk about it, is rocking, and this guy is still closing above 650. Targets I've already mentioned here. Okay, and Grasim, our stop loss still holds 1723. Today the low is 1725, so it has not touched our stop loss. So we are still holding Grasim. And watch out for this guy, BEML. Watch out for this guy. The important date is 14th Jan 2022. Okay, the 14th Jan high is 1930. Any close above 1930, the stop loss should be 1850. The targets are here. I'm talking about the first minimum targets. I'm expecting again something big here. So watch out for this counter, BEML. This is my new stock in my radar. So watch out for BEML, right? And tomorrow is Bajaj Auto, train change date. So watch out for Bajaj Auto. And again here today, watch out for Power Grid, Nestle, Dabur. All the apart from ITC, all FMCG counters are looking good. So mark Nestle, Dabur, Marico. Whenever you get trend change date of all these FMCG companies, market whenever it closed above the date high, please buy with the stop loss of that day's low. So watch out. So Nestle and Dabur, Birlasoft, no need to talk about that. And Polycab, these two having the yearly date. You can mark the yearly date of these two companies, use it for the maximum. And my counter is Power Grid. Okay, so IGL, rocking above 396. I think this guy will immediately do 420. We are long in this counter. Let's watch IGL for tomorrow. Emphasis is 11th was the TCD date. Mark the high and low of emphasis. Let's take, and now watch this. This is the working which we do, and I already taught this working to all my Telegram followers how to capture the high and low with a simple 1 minute technique. Okay, so based on this technique, today Nifty IT and Infi had an important day today based on this working, based on HH working. Nifty IT and Infi had a very important day today. So mark the high and low of Nifty, IT, and Infi today. If it breaks today's low, gain more problem. And today, after long time, it has given a genuine sell. Based on my system I'm talking about. Infosys has given a genuine sell. I will show in the chart. But mark today's high of both these companies. Now both these counters. One is Nifty IT and Infi. Okay. Mark these two and watch it out. So this is for Nifty IT, and tomorrow number is here, Nifty spot, Bank Nifty spot, and today intraday number is market closed, futures closed above this number, but now these are all the resistance on the top. These are all the resistance on the top, and Bank Nifty, this is the support for tomorrow, and resistance are here. Okay, and the last support is 16,162, and coming to this one magic number, below one magic number, it has already given 300 points on the downside. So but Bank Nifty is still holding the one magic number, right? So watch out. Again, this will create a lot of resistance for Nifty in case if it goes up on the higher side. Okay, and I don't want to talk about this. It was a gap down, so there is no entry based on this weekly numbers. You can use the daily numbers. Okay, so now coming to this one. Okay, so now let's see this Britannia. The high and low of 3rd April is 3276, 3215, and it is closed roughly around 75 rupees above this date high. First, this is Britannia, and coming to lever, exactly closed here only. The stop loss is very small, 2135 on a closing basis. So watch out for Hindustan lever. Watch out for Hindustan lever. And Nestle, I've already marked. Dabur, I've already marked because it happened today. So watch these 4 companies in case if I get anything more. So yeah, Colpol is having on 27. Colpol is having on 27. So we will try to cover Colpol also. So as of now, you have 4 companies on FMCG. Mark the high and low of that dates, and let's see how it works. But as of now, things are looking good for FMCG. Okay, so tomorrow it is only Bajaj Auto, and day after on 28th, this is these 3 Tata Motors. Let's watch. Something is cooking. I will try to cover later on Tata Motors. So that's what I know. I just want to cover, and let's go to Infi. The last one I'll cover, and then I'll close this presentation. Let's go to Infi. Okay, so now today it closed below the pitchfork low because it was a gap down. It was a big gap down from here. And if you see last time, this was the fake sell. And from here it moved up. Okay, so now this has become genuine because it closed below the low of this sell initiation candle, which happened on 27th January 2022. So now it closed below that. But if you go to weekly, till it is in bullish, and it is exactly at my system design. So watch out. Something may happen from here also, but everybody is talking about the result. Result is bad and all that. I don't care about all that. I'm a technical analyst, so I don't know what is happening on the fundamental front. But as of now, it is still holding this blue color. The stop loss you can keep is 1556, but if you get anything near this 1556, you can definitely take a call. And the stop loss, you can use it or use your own system and then trial your stop loss if you get it. But as of now, it took exact support from my weekly system design. Okay, and coming to Nifty IT. Exactly on a weekly day system. Sitting last time also, it took the support from here, it went up, and again, it is at the system weekly blue and red. And now, if you go here, there's a possibility it may take a support from the last pitchfork line, which is this blue color line, and the next important day is 26th April. So watch out for 26th April on Nifty IT. And this is not for Infosys. This is only for Nifty IT, 26th April. Mark this date in your calendar and watch Nifty IT. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Sorry, I'm not able to do my weekly analysis video. Next week, I will definitely do without fail. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI investment advisor. Kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any decisions. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow. Bye.